Good day, AP Biology students. Welcome to Video Lecture, Episode 6. Today we're starting a new chapter, and that is Chapter 30. Chapter 30 is Angiosperm Reproduction. Now let's move to Slide 2. On Slide 2, we mentioned the three unique features of angiosperms, and that is they have flowers, fruits, and double fertilization by two sperm. Now, if you look on Slide 3, it shows you an actual picture of a plant zoomed in, just so you can see some of the parts connected to what you saw on Slide 2. On Slide 4, we talk about pollination, and that is the transfer of pollen from anther to stigma, which are two parts of the plant. Now, keep in mind, wind and water can also transfer these as well, but these are just other organisms that help actually transfer that pollen through pollination. Now, if you look at Slide 5, we mentioned two types of pollination, that's self-pollination and cross-pollination. Some plants are actually self-pollinated, means they actually pollinate themselves. Others are cross-pollinated, and the reason for the cross-pollination is this. There is self-incompatibility, plants reject their own pollen or closely related plant, and also to maximize genetic variation. Slide 6 just shows you the development of the plant embryo once it has gone through pollination. Now let's consider some other things to talk about just on Slide 7 and close our lecture for today. The plant embryo is the egg cell, okay? The ovules, which are inside the ovary, are the seeds, and those seeds, which when they're ripe, the ripe ovary is the fruit, okay? Fruit protects enclosed seed or seeds, and this also, keep in mind, aids in dispersal by water, wind, or animals, all right? Well, that concludes our lecture for today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lecture. Have a nice day. Goodbye.